Hey traders, Todd of tradinganalysis.com. How you doing? Free video update. This is Tuesday, December 5th. Correct. A couple things I want to do. I want to look at the Magnificent Seven, all your large cap, mega cap growth. They're rotating out. I have some trades on that I want to show you in those guys. And we'll talk about the idea that Mag-7 is leading and the stock market is only higher because of these guys. Is that true? We'll see. And then also how we want to handle the positions in Mag-7 and perhaps might they rotate back in. So let's take a look. So we're looking at the RRG, the relative rotation of a Mag-7 equal weight index on monthly, weekly, and daily. And looking at the rotation as we move in a clockwise rotation, that means the Mag-7 is picking up relative strength and momentum to the benchmark, which I have right now. I'm using the RSP, which is the equal weight S&P 500. So this is from pretty much the beginning of 2023. We've had a very, very nice move in the Mag-7. And then as we close out 23, we're starting to rotate over here in the monthly. Are we going to go all the way down and out? We shall see. That's going to be dependent on what happens on the smaller time frames, which are weekly and daily. The weekly, we tried to make a move higher, which is good. That means we're picking up momentum to the equal weight S&P. But then here in November, we started to head back out. Now, what I'll draw your attention to is the space between each weekly reading, which is the dot, is kind of constricted. So we don't have a ton of downward sort of a high rate of change or velocity out. We might start to see a rotation higher here, and that would mean those Mag-7 we're starting to move back in the weekly direction higher, which would keep the Mag-7 out on the monthly leading, which, that's why there's so much outperformance. Mag-7 for the year is up like 98%, where, the rest of the S&P X Mag-7 would be up about 7%. Right. So are they going to stay, in the fashion or what they've become accustomed to, which is in that outperforming status? Well, again, it's going to if we see the rotation on the weekly, and of course that would start with the daily over here. If we rotate up, that would be the case. So if we look at the Mag-7 right now, and specifically, I want to look at Nvidia to start. Nvidia has dropped out quite a bit. I have a hedge on that I put on with with our attendees of our option patterns training course. I'm gonna send the alert out to them right now to cover this trade, book some profits, and I'll show you why we're doing that. So Nvidia from October up into the earnings, big push, and then we've retraced about 38, almost to 50%. This is the 50-day moving average. This is downtrend resistance that's now broken, offering support. So we have a pretty good test of support here happening in Nvidia. And as I'm recording this video, I'm literally losing profits in this trade. So I'm going to go quick in this, but it's A, B, C correction. It looks like we're starting to hold support. So I'm going to go ahead and take this trade off. I've given back pretty good profits on this. So just a little hedge, 527. See if I can pay 520. See if I can sell it. 518 fill the 521. Okay. The other component of the Mag-7 I want to look at that may also be testing support is Microsoft. So if we look at MSFT, I have a trade on in this guy as well. Come on, charts. A little different wave count, but it's 1, 2, 3, pulling back in 4. We have pretty good fib zone support right there, 361, 362. So I have a butterfly that I also put on with the members of the options training course that I'm going to hold right now, MSFT. And I'll show you what that trade is. So it's a butterfly that expires December 8th. So this week, we're setting around 380. Okay, right now we're trading 369. I should be up, if you look at the P&L right now, it should be up about 800 bucks, which is this right here, 779. It's got 112 delta. So if we keep pushing up off of that support, that's when we start getting into potentially, $1,500, $2,000 of profit against 1178 of max risk. And again, looking at the pullback here in wave 4, looking pretty solid. We have a little bit of a gap here from December 1st, so we can go up and close that. Maybe we can get up into the 370s, 380s by Friday, which again is the body of the butterfly. So is that, are the Mag-7s truly rotating out? And you know what we're seeing on the monthly and weekly RRG, is that going to continue, or in combination of that slowing rate of change on the weekly RRG, are we going to see hook higher, which of course would be helped by those support levels in 2 of the Mag-7 I showed you, Nvidia, Microsoft. All right, guys, hope that helps. See you in the next video update. Hi, it's Todd from tradinganalysis.com. Thanks so much for watching. Listen, my team and I have so much to share with you in terms of our technical analysis, our fundamental analysis, portfolio management tactics, trading in and out, maybe options, sector rotation. Let us know what's most interesting to you. Maybe drop that in the comments section and we'll do our best to work it in. Also, consider clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we put out new videos. And finally, you can check us out at tradinganalysis.com if you'd like to see us manage our real portfolios in real time. Thanks again for watching.